Hola, buenas tardes a todos. So on this video we're in the fantastic old town of Mojácar. So we're in Mojácar Pueblo. Here just for a couple of days on a wee family holiday. So I thought perfect opportunity to do a couple of videos for you. So I'm just going to have a wander round, capture the main set of sights, if you like, because it's quite a small little village and it's got absolutely loads of wee windy streets that's easy to get lost in. So I hope you like this one. Let's see how we go. So I'm just starting off in one of the squares up at the top end of the town. We had our dinner last night in that Kalima, which is a Moroccan restaurant. I know it might seem strange that you come all the way to Spain and go to a Moroccan restaurant, but we all really like tagine, so we had our dinner in there. And we previously stayed in the El Olivar Boutique Hotel. Fantastic little place, but unfortunately wasn't available this time. But we've managed to get a nice little apartment on booking.com. So obviously the place still isn't fully open for the season yet. So there's quite a lot of places that are closed. But once you get in amongst this little town and in the back streets of this little town, you get loads of beautiful little bars, you know, like this. And this will be busy tonight. When we were out last night, it was even the whole place is really busy. So let's just go for a wander. Yep, there are cars still driving up and down, so you've got to keep your wits about you. Nice Harley there. Sound brilliant in these little back streets. So it's easy to miss some of the stuff here. So, for example, just looking down in here, this is a little shopping centre. Full of these little weird, wonderful shops that sell lots. Let's just cut through here and see what we can see. So full of wonders. That one's got a dinosaur in it. And it sells all sorts of fossils and weird and wonderful bits and bobs. Little jewellery shop here with a massive range of things. I don't want to get into these shops, people are in shopping. So this is just a little, kind of almost like a shopping centre that's in the middle of the town. Hopefully it'll all come out because it's just beginning to get dark now. You can buy every kind of souvenir here. So, you know, t-shirts, bracelets, bangles, fridge magnets, all sorts of stuff that you can buy here. So let's have a look downstairs. Look how pretty this is. We've got little bars tucked away in corners. Little outdoor seating areas. And this one here's actually built into the rocks. And you can see there, so sorry about the light flicker. Let's go downstairs again. And even more little quirky shops selling all sorts of stuff. So it's a fantastic little tourist destination. And this is us coming down to the main square now. It's just beginning to get dark. And a lovely little place to come and visit. So I'm just going to take a walk over, up a few steps here, because there's a really nice viewing platform. It gives you wide-ranging views of the surrounding areas and the sea beyond. So I'm sure you'll be impressed by this. Let's see if we can get an empty spot, because it's always really popular. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and have a look at this. Isn't it awesome? And the last time we were here, we watched the sunset just over there. Not going to get that in this video, but it is quite a sight. I'll maybe try and find some of the photographs that we took and paste them in to let you see it. Smashing. The other thing to note about Mojácar Pueblo is that the whole village is built high up in the rocks, and it's just been built up over the years. People adding more and more and more properties higher and higher up. It's certainly worth coming to have a look at. So just going to have one more wander and show you a couple of the little sort of alleys and streets, and then it's time to go for our evening meal. Just to give you a flavour of what Mojácar Pueblo is all about. So again, I'm just going to turn the camera around and let you see. So we've got, you know, little baker shops, butcher shops, little shops selling all sorts of knickknacks. Alleys everywhere you turn. And as I say, obviously quite a lot of the things are closed at the minute. And everywhere you go in Mojácar, you'll see this little figure. Yes, I'm just looking at this little notice board here, and it's the symbol of Almería. It brings good luck for whoever wears it or who puts it on their house. So everywhere you go here, you'll see this little symbol. These little man holding looks like an umbrella over his head. And just little alleys with further alleys. Look, it's an absolutely beautiful little town to come wandering around, and we love it here, and we'd probably move here in a heartbeat, to be honest. It's just one of those proper little whitewashed Spanish villages. It's well worth a visit. So you can see everywhere you turn, you've got other little alleyways leading up to restaurants. You know, alleys and twists and turns you could probably explore for hours. Just enjoy getting lost. The other thing worth mentioning is we came here in, I think it was September, because they have the night of the candles in September, and the whole village, the whole town, they switch off all the electric lights, so all the houses and the street lights and the lights in the bars, restaurants, all get switched off, and the whole place is just lined with candles everywhere you look, and it's just a magical sight to see. So have a look at that for the night of the candles, because it's a fantastic sight to see. Every corner you turn, another little alleyway to explore, and you can't help but just going for a wander and a wee explore. Look at it. Isn't it awesome? What an awesome little town. So we're just going for dinner just up here. I'm sure this is the one that we're going to have some food in this evening. Look, another lovely little square here. Just great sitting here, listening to all the Spanish nattering away. So yeah, I'm sure this is where we're going for dinner, so I'll see you all after that. I'm just going to do my nosy up here. I've never been up here. Some kind of seating area. Oh, another little square. Look, tables. Another little restaurant. Yeah, it's a great little place. I really, really like it. And I hope you do too. Anyway, time for food. So I was just walking the back streets of Mojácar, and just turned the corner, came across this. Look at this. How nice is this? Little pavement bar. Supermarket here, but obviously it's shut. But what attracted my attention was this. No, I'll just get it from this side. What a fantastic little place. Puerta de la Ciudad. So we're just going to get a quick drink in there before we head back. Just gets better and better and better. And these nice little seats outside, which would be nice to sit on a nice sunny day. Brilliant. So I hope you enjoyed that quick look at Mojácar Pueblo, high up in the hills in Almeria. As always, please take some time just to click on the little like button, little thumbs up button down below. Just helps the video reach more people, and it'd be great if you could subscribe, and even better if you can leave a little comment. If you've got time to do that, I'd really appreciate it, and I do try and answer them all. And we will see you all on the next video. Hasta luego.